If you face the annoying problem of rats invading your home or garden, I have an infallible piece of advice that a professional exterminator taught me. Forget about dangerous poisons. With this method, you will be able to get rid of rats safely and effectively. To start, you will need a container that you do not use at home. You also have at hand a spoon that you can use later. Now, add 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate to the container. Next, add a tablespoon of grated cheese. Mix all the ingredients evenly until you get a uniform mixture. Here is the key to the strategy. The application of this method is simple. Place the mixture in the places where you usually find rats. The attraction of rats to the smell of this product is guaranteed. The digestion of the mixture takes approximately 1 hour. When the rats feed on it, a kind of cake will form due to the yeast, which will swell in their stomachs, causing their inability to digest it. Then they will fall and be eliminated. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to receive our videos.